In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain on Weebly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to search for the perfect web address for your site. First, head to your Weebly dashboard and open the overview page for the site you want to brand with a custom domain. This is your home base in Weebly, where you can see key controls for your site. If you manage multiple sites, take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one, so the domain you choose gets linked to the right project. From the overview area, look for the domains option in the navigation and click it. This takes you to Weebly's domain management section. Think of this space as the control room for your website's address. It's where you can explore new domains, review options, and manage the address people will type to reach your site. Next, click Set up domain. You're not committing to anything yet. This simply opens the flow where you can search and evaluate domain names. It's a safe place to experiment with ideas and see what's available. Now, type your preferred domain name into the search field. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. If it's for a business or portfolio, try to match your brand name closely. Avoid unnecessary hyphens or numbers that can confuse visitors, and consider an extension that fits your audience, like .com for general use, or something more specific if it suits your niche. Double check the spelling before you search. Small typos can lead to a domain you don't actually want. When you're ready, click Search. Weebly will check availability and show you results. If your first choice is available, you'll typically see it at the top, along with pricing. If it's taken, don't worry. Weebly usually suggests close variations and different extensions, which can spark good alternatives. This is a great time to refine your idea. Try a slightly shorter or clearer version, add a relevant word, or test a different extension if it still reflects your brand well. You can repeat the search as many times as you like until you find an option you're happy with. That's the core process. Open overview, go to domains, choose setup domain, enter your preferred name, and run the search. Once you land on a domain that fits, Weebly will guide you with on-screen prompts for the next steps to secure and connect it. Take your time with the search, aim for clarity and brand consistency, and you'll set your site up with a professional web address your visitors can trust.